Okay, we're doing the team draw for the last 5-star. This is 5-star number 6, I believe. We got our trusty die here from the Golden Nugget, and away we go. 6 times on the randomizer. 5-star 6 times. Mojo seems good this way. 6 times, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross your fingers, and you know the rest. 6. Richard Radke on top. Ed Reed on the bottom. Let's put it in here and make sure it goes to the 29. All right, nice. Let's make it so you can read it. There we go. And for our teams, it's straightened out so you can see it. There we go. 6 times on our teams. Angels on the top, Yankees on the bottom. There's a Padres-Indians combo. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cross your fingers. Hold them puppies. The Rockies on the top. Padres-Indians sneak to the bottom. All right, gang. Let's go and see how. I love that guy. That guy's awesome. Richard Radke, Rockies. Wally, ELX, Alex, Phillies. Fleardon, the Astros. Food Stamps, the Dodgers. Original Egg, the Cubs. TNC Card 7282, the Mets. DA Collector 904, the White Sox. 1-1, Cardinals. Chibi 924, the Blue Jays. Region 41, the D-backs. Kid Junkie, the Braves. Jay Addison 98, the Pirates. JC Moore 82, the Orioles. Ed Reed, the Athletics. JC Moore 82, the Rays. TNC Card 7282, the Brewers. Panther Homer 82, the Tigers. K Clark 5381, the Royals. Webb Jr., the Angels. Pagoda 123, the Mariners. DeBlow King, the Reds. Chris 6278, the Rangers. DA Collector 904, the Yankees. Jamie Brawley 32, the Nationals. Stupor, the Giants. Webb Jr., the Marlins. DA Collector 904, the Twins. Kid Junkie, the Red Sox. Ed Reed, the Padres Indians combo. That's the face I make every time I do a randomizer, right there. You guys, all right. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being patient with me. Glad you're aboard. Let me do a little clerical work. Trade away if you will. We'll be back a couple minutes and we'll crack it. Thanks again, as always.